In this video, we're going to go through this kind of a bar plot where we have the categories and subcategories, and also for the sales, and we have the division of the categories and subcategories, which shows us the best selling subcategory and the worst selling subcategory in terms of the sales. We are using the sample superstore sample dataset, built-in dataset of the Tableau. So to go through all of these, let's just eliminate everything and start from the beginning. On the x-axis, we need the sales, so it's gonna be our indicator of the our estimator, let's say. And in the in the y-axis, sorry, in the x-axis, we're gonna have the the categories and subcategories and subcategories. Great. So we want to see the shipping mode as the filter. To do so, it's so simple actually. To do so, you just need to go to the to what you want to filter. Let's say in our case it's ship mode. You can filter whatever you want: the country, the city, and whatever you want actually. Choose all of them and just click OK. You're not going to see immediately. In order to see that, you go to you click the right and click the show filter. Then you'll have this. Actually, I don't like this kind of a filter, so that's why I'm gonna choose the drop down filter. I like this one. This one is more than others, and it depends on the preference if you prefer other one. What else we want to do is to color this, okay? And we want to see the maximum and the minimum, I mean the best selling and the worst selling subcategory within the categories. To do so, we need to create the calculated field. Just click wherever you want the right button of the mouse or whatever you use, and create the calculated field. Just call your calculated field in order that it reminds you of what you want to do. I prefer to call it minimum and maximum, or best selling. And then we need to write a pseudo code, because it's I don't call it a code actually, because it's not code. And like conditional, let's say conditional formatting. We say that if the sum of the sales, right, equal to the maximum of the sum of the sales, wait, not maximum, the window maximum should be the window maximum, because window means that in that row, in the tuple, in that array. Okay, you got it. Window maximum of the sum of the sales, right? Then we will get the maximum. It's gonna call the maximum. Then we say that else if the sum of the sales equal to the window minimum in this case, then we won't have the the window minimum of the sum of sales. Okay, then we get the minimum. If it's neither a maximum nor the minimum of the sum of the sales, we are going to have other. All right, and don't forget to write the end after completing this. So this says the calculation is valid. That means that there's no problem with the calculation. We just apply this and just okay, click on best selling. It's done here, all right? And the next step is so straightforward. Just you need to drag and drop your best selling here. Initially, you will have this kind of a division by all the categories, by all the table. To change it, you go to the best selling and compute using the subcategory, because we are interested in the subcategories. You can manipulate this by changing the color. For example, if you go to the color and edit color, you can change it. I want other to be gray. Okay, and just apply this, and I have the other gray. And later on, we go to the dashboard. It's updated. Like, to create the dashboard, it's so easy. It's straightforward. You just need to drag and drop